ordered iPhone 11 from TEMU. You can't believe this. I ordered iPhone 11 from TEMU, and you cannot believe the results. I couldn't even believe it myself. When I told my husband about it after making the order, he was like, why am I wasting money? That this is just a waste of money. The phone just landed. I couldn't believe my eyes. I thought it was a joke. The phone is so cheap, so affordable. I'll leave the link below this video so you can click on it and make your purchase if you want. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I will be bringing more of this kind of video and AI video, how to make money online, how to use AI to create content that will make you money. I actually got this phone for my content creation. I've done the video on the process how I ordered the phone. So click on the link below this video. You will see the video how I ordered the phone. So watch it till the end if you really want to get the phone for yourself or for your friends. Alright? So when I told my husband about this phone, he was blabbering that I'm wasting money, that this is waste of money. So what do you think? Did I waste money? Leave a comment on the comment section. Like this video. Let's open the phone. Let's unbox the phone so you could see iPhone 11 for. You can't believe this. Even me, I was so surprised. You cannot believe it. See the phone. The phone is so good. See how it came. Okay? See how it came. So I'm gonna on it right now. So let's see how it's working. See, Apple. Oh my goodness. See. Ooh. Are you serious? Are you being serious right now? 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 The phone is actually in a good condition. Woo! Look at the phone is actually working. See me. Look at it. You cannot believe the price of this phone. You can't believe. Hey, look at everything on this phone. Look at the Apple Store. Everything is working perfectly. Okay? Yes, allow, disallowed. Yee! Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Everything is working perfectly on this phone. What I really know, I have watched some videos that people talk about what they bought in TEMU versus what they got. My case has been different. This is not first time I'm buying things from.
You can actually buy original and authentic and very cheap, affordable things on TEMU. Watch how I order for fairly used UK phone, iPhone 11 for just $87, and it came to Nigeria in less than 1 week. It was delivered. Okay, so watch how I make the order, how I order the phone, how I make my investigations before making orders to make sure I get the original, authentic and affordable, or let me say very cheap. Okay,
click on the link below this video and watch the full process how I got the phone, so you can make your own purchase. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.